Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into the smart home climate controller world to bring you the top 10 amazing devices that'll make your home smarter, more energy efficient, and totally effortless to manage. Whether it's controlling your thermostat, regulating humidity, or scheduling your sprinklers, these gadgets do it all. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other details. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's jump right in.
Wi-Fi Smart Sprinkler Controller. Meet the Wi-Fi Smart Sprinkler Controller, your lawn's new best friend. This intelligent watering system lets you manage irrigation schedules straight from your smartphone. Whether it's a hot summer or a rainy week, its weather-based adjustments ensure efficient water use while keeping your plants thriving. With an easy installation process and app control, you can fine-tune zones and set cycles with just a few taps. Compatible with smart assistants like Alexa, this controller saves water, money, and time. It's perfect for anyone who wants a greener lawn without the hassle. Smart watering made simple, convenient, and eco-friendly right from your pocket.
Smart Wi-Fi Temperature Controller. The Smart Wi-Fi Temperature Controller is your ultimate solution for maintaining perfect conditions anywhere. Whether for home brewing, reptile tanks, or greenhouse setups, this smart device gives you precise control over heating and cooling. Using your smartphone, you can easily monitor and adjust temperatures remotely for consistent performance. It supports voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free operation. Designed for reliability and accuracy, this controller is ideal for energy efficiency and protecting sensitive environments. It's plug and play, so setup is fast and simple. With real-time temperature updates and intelligent automation, you'll always stay in control, effortlessly maintaining the ideal climate every time.
Smart Wi-Fi Climate Plug. The Smart Wi-Fi Climate Plug takes smart temperature management to the next level. This compact plug works like a thermostat that fits right into your outlet, allowing you to control heaters, fans, or cooling devices remotely. Perfect for homebrew projects, pet enclosures, or even small greenhouses, it helps maintain stable temperatures automatically. You can program heating and cooling cycles, monitor real-time temperature, and set alerts through an intuitive app. With compatibility for Alexa, Google Home, and Apple Home, voice control is a breeze. Designed for convenience and precision, this plug saves energy while ensuring your devices run only when needed. Efficiency at its smartest. Wi-Fi Smart Temp Controller. The Wi-Fi Smart Temp Controller gives you total temperature control in one sleek, easy-to-use device. Ideal for reptile tanks, fermenting projects, or seed germination, it keeps your setup perfectly balanced. Through your smartphone, you can monitor temperatures, set alarms, and toggle heating or cooling modes anytime. It's designed for reliability with precise sensors and strong output power. Plus, voice compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant adds seamless control to your smart home setup. Simple to install and energy efficient, this device takes the guesswork out of maintaining the right temperature. Stay comfortable, save energy, and protect your equipment effortlessly with this smart connected solution. Multi-Outlet Climate Controller. Say hello to the Multi-Outlet Climate Controller, your all-in-one temperature and humidity manager. With multiple outlets, you can connect different devices for heating, cooling, humidifying, and even timing tasks. Perfect for mushroom cultivation, reptile setups, or home gardening, it gives you complete climate flexibility. Each outlet works independently, offering precise control and customizable automation. The digital display makes monitoring easy, while the integrated timer ensures perfect scheduling. Whether you're growing plants or maintaining delicate environments, this controller provides professional-level accuracy with home-level simplicity. It's efficient, reliable, and designed to handle multiple climate functions in one compact, easy-to-use powerhouse for every smart home setup. Smart Wi-Fi AC Controller. Turn any traditional air conditioner into a smart one with the Smart Wi-Fi AC Controller. This clever device lets you manage your mini-split, portable, or window AC units through a mobile app. Its AI-based technology learns your preferences, automatically adjusting settings for comfort and energy savings. You can schedule cooling times, monitor room temperature, and even use voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant. With a clean design and fast setup, it easily connects to your Wi-Fi and gives total climate control from anywhere. Say goodbye to wasted energy and hello to comfort and convenience. Your AC just got smarter. Digital Wi-Fi Temp Controller. The digital Wi-Fi Temp Controller offers precision temperature management with effortless control. Whether for home brewing, reptile tanks, or plant environments, this digital thermostat delivers reliability and accuracy. Connect it via Wi-Fi to monitor and adjust settings right from your smartphone. You can set heating and cooling modes, view live readings, and receive alerts if temperatures fluctuate. Compact yet powerful, it's built to handle daily use while helping you save energy. Compatible with major smart assistants, you can also use voice commands for quick adjustments. Simple, efficient, and smart, this controller keeps your environment stable and comfortable with just a few taps. Triple Outlet Climate Controller. The Triple Outlet Climate Controller gives you advanced control over temperature, humidity, and timing, all in one device. With 3 outlets and dual sensors, you can run heaters, humidifiers, or fans simultaneously. Each outlet functions independently, letting you fine-tune your environment with precision. It's perfect for reptile enclosures, mushroom growing, or seed germination setups. The easy-to-read digital display and programmable settings make operation straightforward. You can automate cycles to maintain optimal conditions effortlessly. This controller ensures consistent performance and healthier results while saving energy. If you're looking for smart, flexible environmental control, this triple-function powerhouse has everything you need to stay in command. Smart 4-Zone Sprinkler. The Smart 4-Zone Sprinkler brings intelligent irrigation to your garden. It's perfect for lawns, flower beds, or vegetable patches, offering precise watering schedules across 4 separate zones. With smart weather-based adjustments, it automatically skips watering during rain or adjusts based on temperature. You can easily control everything through an app, ensuring your garden stays healthy and green while saving water. It's compatible with smart home assistants for effortless voice control. Easy to install and built to last, this sprinkler controller offers convenience, efficiency, and sustainability in one sleek design. Make your outdoor care smarter and your plants happier.
Digital Multi-Mode Thermostat. The Digital Multi-Mode Thermostat is a smart plug-in device designed for total climate flexibility. It offers multiple operation modes, including heating, cooling, and timer control, allowing you to customize your environment easily. Perfect for home brewing, seedling mats, or reptile habitats, it delivers accurate and consistent temperature management. The digital interface is simple to navigate, and setup takes just minutes. You can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, set alarms, and automate temperature cycles effortlessly. This thermostat is built for convenience and reliability, providing smart control with minimal effort. It's efficient, versatile, and ideal for anyone who values precision and easy automation.
And that wraps up our list of the top 10 smart home climate controller devices that make managing your home's comfort effortless and efficient. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to check the links in the description for prices and details on each product. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more awesome tech reviews every week.